matrix plug.
Oh, really?
Just what you need, right?
Yeah, just what I need.
Yeah.
You got 3 of them?
Soon.
Okay.
Soon.
All right.
Yeah.
You guys do one for an Inno 3D?
Is it? Oh, hey. Does it also? Oh, sorry. Does it also fit the regular BTF? I assume.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So it's BTF matrix, either one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So,
It's very similar to an Astral block.
yeah. Just
Same top frame, same glass.
yeah.
Just changes for the VRM that they moved.
Yeah.
One new thing on the Matrix is the leaf spring for the
Oh.
core is
Oh yeah.
integrated
Yeah. That's true.
in
That's
the
true.
backplate. So
Yeah.
you see there's this ring here that's actually raised up, and then the whole backplate will be under tension when these are screwed down.
Ooh.
So we get the pressure from the leaf spring, but still plays for thermal pads.
Oh, sweet.
So it's really good. It takes about 1.5, 1.6 degrees off.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
So when's it coming? I've been meaning to block
Probably
mine.
be able to ship them around August, September time.
Okay. Because I've been meaning to block mine, but nobody has a block for it.
Yeah.
So.
It's a good card.
Oh yeah. Now you got to make a 20th one.
Is there a 20th Matrix or
No, just the Astral.
20th Astral?
Yeah, but it's just the BTF. But they may have added a connector for the screen.
So that needs some gold bits.
Yeah, I need some gold bits. You got to make it gold in the corner over here.
All right.
Yeah, but
Doable.
it's doable. But what's you guys are doing palette now?
Yeah.
I didn't know you did all these models.
Wow. Well, the original Plexi 5090 Astral
Yes.
is done.
Okay.
The Glass 5080 came out, and the
Yeah.
Glass 5090 will replace the original
Okay.
in a month.
Okay. All right.
Then the Supreme will come, the Palette next,
Okay.
then the Matrix, then the Lightning.
Okay. Wow, you're doing the
tough.
lightning too?
Tough.
Are you gonna let people keep the screen on?
No.
Okay. So you just lose the screen. Like there's no way around. Okay. So you just lose the
You
screen
could
completely.
you could reassemble that shroud
Yeah.
with the screen back in
Yeah.
and put that back on its own.
Do you plan to make like a?
with the PCB from the
Okay.
block.
Okay.
Right?
Got it. Yeah.
So you could kind of rebuild it if you wanted to just have the screen.
Okay. All right. Any option to like you guys CAD a 3D print up over someone? Or?
We don't need you. I mean, if you had the block, you'd have all the parts to put both in.
Oh, okay.
We don't want to cover up the block with the screen.
Yeah.
And the whole assembly with the USB thing, it's all stacked up kind of fat.
Yeah, that's
It
true.
wouldn't
That's
look
true.
right.
Yeah, that's true. I didn't know you were doing fans.
Okay.
Since when?
Well, since yesterday.
That's what I figured. I was like, I've never seen the fans before.
They're pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. A daisy chain. Oh, USB daisy.
USB.
Ah.
Yeah.
So that's how you're getting around getting sued.
We're not getting sued.
You get what I mean?
We're getting sued by
There's some patent trollers, right?
Ah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's an aluminium frame, so it's really rigid. We don't have to worry about it flexing.
Oh, really? Is it? Oh, wow, that's really solid.
Right?
Oh, that's really solid, yeah.
So because it's perfectly round, even though we have a polycarbonate blade, we can run quite a tight tip clearance.
Oh, because there's no flex.
Right,
Yeah.
normally they need to account for someone tightening it down,
Yeah.
and then it pulls it.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Slightly
true.
oval.
Yeah,
But it's much more rigid. You also don't need a draft angle on the sidewall.
that's true.
So
Any option to get it without all the branding on the side?
I want to make a triple pack where one has it and two don't.
Okay.
I think that would look pretty slick.
Yeah. Because this is like a little too much, like on 3 fans.
So, yeah, three's too many, yeah.
Yeah, three's kind of good. And I don't know. I feel like just the logo's enough, right? You don't need like the full blown.
Well,
Are they gonna come in reverse or?
I need to not break it. Yeah, Roman wants to have a reverse blade.
Okay, all right.
But I mean, I would rather make an LCP blade version.
Okay,
I would rather do that first
Yeah.
before reverse, but
I see.
We'll
Oh,
see what we
so
do.
those are okay. So
yeah, they fit everywhere.
okay.
around.
So the user's gonna have to do this
Yeah.
themselves. Okay, gotcha. Okay,
yeah, they're pretty easy.
that's pretty cool. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Not bad, right? The back's
Yeah.
pretty cool too.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's good looking back. You can make it neutral, like the same on the front and back.
I'm not going to be so bold as to claim it's the first, but this is a fan without any wires inside.
That is true. You do not see any wire at all.
It's PCB.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
Big X-shaped PCB.
Yeah, that's pretty slick. That's pretty slick.
Huh?
That's pretty slick. That's very slick, yeah. It's pretty cool.
Has a little temp sensor.
Oh, there's a temp sensor on it
Right
too.
there, look.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, so you get two cables. One just has...
So you guys are going to be making a software suite then?
Well, I mean, we started a little bit with wire view. It's not really what we want to do.
Okay.
So we just put standard connectors on. So one USB goes out to 4-pin, the other goes to the RGB and
Okay.
temp sensor.
Okay. All right.
It works.
That's pretty cool. So these are okay. All right. So these have been out.
These are
Oh,
these
this
are like
one.
coming out
Yeah, coming
right
out.
now.
Okay.
They're
Yeah, yeah.
finished production. And,
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
yeah.
What about
They're pretty nice.
what about Threadripper?
Maybe.
Xeon 600 series.
Probably should. Yeah.
Yeah. What about Blackwell Pro?
I've been waiting to take Roman's 6000 apart for ages. I won't let me
Okay.
take it apart because I think I could make a block that fits the FE 5090
Yeah.
and the FE version of the Pro 6000.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Make an active backplate.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That would be good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want to make that.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'm also looking to block that. I have 4 of them.
Okay.
Yeah,
nice.
so-
Nice.
Because otherwise it runs way too hot elsewise. It's
Yeah.
impossible. Yeah. I mean, I didn't want to get the server edition because I didn't want the 300 watts, like 20% less when you're crunching away. So it runs way too hot. There's like no, I know Optimus makes a block, right?
Right.
But it's aesthetically not pleasing at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I kind of don't trust their QC.
Okay.
So yeah.
We got some plating samples at the back.
Oh really?
PVD plated blocks.
Oh, let me see.
Instead of nickel.
Oh sweet. Sweet. Cool. Okay. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Ooh,
Uh-huh.
that's nice. That's really nice.
So this is a nitride layer and an oxide layer.
Uh-huh.
And the oxide layer is so thin that it gives it this color.
Oh, sweet.
And wherever like a different depth is exposed at a different angle, it shifts the color.
Oh, sweet. That's really cool. I mean, obviously you run clear, it would work. It must look sick with the lights on.
In the bright, in here, it doesn't do that much,
Okay.
to be honest.
Okay. Do you have it lit up or? Oh, there. You go. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see here, but yeah, you can see it. That's pretty cool. Actually, it didn't really make a difference.
No, it's
Yeah.
so colorful in the beginning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But
But I think in the dark, you
Yeah.
know, in a build,
that's really cool.
Wild, yeah.
It goes on the O-ring too, like in the way.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
That's pretty slick. That's pretty cool. This. I like the dark. The darker
yeah,
this.
That's
yeah.
like nitride only, so without the oxide part.
Okay.
This is really good chemical resistance.
Oh, sweet.
And this is carbon coating, so DLC diamond.
Yeah, yeah,
coating.
yeah.
Almost black.
That looks really nice.
And the little one there, this is a special one we developed to be resistant to liquid metal.
Oh wow. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. Also sounds expensive.
Yeah, I mean, they're pretty crazy. When you see the dual finish parts of everything, it's
Oh,
like
yeah.
shiny black and matte black, and they're
Yeah,
ridiculous.
that's sick. That's really sick.
They'll be. We're gonna buy the machine.
Uh-huh.
Well, we commissioned the machine
Okay.
for this process.
Okay.
So we'll have it in house, and it will cost us a similar amount to the nickel.
Okay.
But
Oh wow.
we'll be able to do it immediately instead of waiting for a
Yeah,
month.
yeah.
So that'll really help.
Oh, that's sick. Any ETA or?
The machine gets installed in September. Probably take a couple of months to set up, so maybe the end of the year we can start doing products.
Okay, sweet. That's something to look forward to. And can people buy like just the cold plate if they already have the block? Or?
Maybe.
Okay.
See how we do it and which platings are good for which thing, which people like, and how they fit together. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Don't know yet.
Yeah.
Joint system with the blocks in.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Super cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking cool. Yeah.
Fittings, we got glass nickel.
Those are new.
Yeah. We didn't have glass nickel, and there's a few new models you might not have seen.
Any chance of not having the logo?
Not having a logo?
Yeah, on the
You
neck.
can just take it off.
You can just cut it off? But I mean, I'm saying like you're gonna sell ones without the logo. Oh, all right. Yeah, but then you have blanks.
You want blank ones?
Yeah, like you have blank, like just don't. Not everybody wants all the logos. You know how it is, right? Not everybody wants. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
I mean, we want to be cool about it. Like, it's nice to have it on stuff for consistency.
Yeah.
We're not stupid. We're not putting it on the back plate. We're not putting it on the terminal.
Yeah.
We're not putting it on every individual part of the
What
product.
about a little smaller? Maybe like engraved in, just small.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Or like
I mean, it's most visible on the shiny one.
Okay.
Like on the black one, it's really simple.
Oh yeah.
Like
On the black one, it's hard to tell. Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool, I think.
Yeah. You're gonna sell those separately? People can mix and match, or?
Possible.
Okay.
Possible. Yeah. You've probably not seen 45.
No, have not.
It's pretty cool.
That is new. Yeah.
You put the hex key through the female hole, and it locks into the male side, and then you can spin the whole thing locked together.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's new.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't. I haven't used the fittings yet.
Yeah.
Because I have so many fittings as is. It's kind of hard to like go get more.
It's a little fancy pass-through. It has these like little spaces. And they have a counter bore, so you can flip it depending on the panel thickness.
Oh yeah.
So you get really clean install.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's nice.
Yeah. That's a tiny male rotary.
Okay.
It's actually a rotary joint on one side.
Yeah.
Pretty much as small as you can make it.
Yeah.
There's now 10, 13, and 14 mil R2. So that's new.
Oh yeah, that is new. Look nice. And you're doing QDs now?
Yeah.
Oh, these are small.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It's the same supplier as the fittings, so everything's identical. Finish identical, same 3 options.
Okay.
There's the male side, female side, each with male or female thread.
Okay.
So you just pick each half.
All right.
We'll probably do barbed ones before long.
Okay. What's the ETA on these?
Should be ready to ship during July.
Okay. For July.
Pretty much done.
Okay.
These are final samples. They work nice.
Okay. Right. And drain valve now too?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how does this work?
So.
Oh, you have to screw that part in, yeah.
Right. It's essentially like half a quick disconnect.
Yeah.
And there's a valve inside, and when you push this specific barb through, it opens the valve from underneath.
Okay, yeah.
And there's one barb that's hollow
That's smart.
for draining really fast,
Yeah.
and there's one with another extra valve just to stop it like dripping and spilling.
Oh, I see. That's very smart.
So if you want to do like a bit at once, you can put it half in and then pull it like, on the edge.
Yeah.
But like the smallest thing you can put in the system to make a drain.
Yeah.
Right, this side is tiny.
Yeah.
Pretty neat.
It's pretty cool, man.
We're not showing it specifically right now, but this is our tube. This isn't.
Yeah, I was like, it looks a little different.
This is ours.
Okay, so.
There's 1016, there's some 1013.
Okay. Yeah, it's got some nice flexibility to it. Not a lot of kink. Yeah, pretty good.
I mean,
within reason, yeah.
Should be pretty familiar.
Yeah, it does feel very familiar. It's got that kind of smoothish feeling That's
Yeah.
very familiar.
Yeah.
Because when you buy it from like a supplier, it's not as slick feeling.
Right.
It's more, and it's more prone to kinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is just a thing where you can play with quick disconnects.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know, there's coolant in there.
Whose is this?
That's ours. It's just one room and made for fun.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay. That's pretty cool. And thermal paste.
Some new paste. Journal Pro, Journal Pro.
Okay.
A little bit better.
All right.
So,
Why not just get rid of the old one?
well, just replace it.
Yeah.
Basically, like the supply chain for paste, the MOQs involved.
Okay.
It takes so long to transition
Uh-huh.
that we wouldn't be releasing it for 2 years probably.
I see. I see.
And then it wouldn't be the best anymore.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
like just to
Gotcha.
flex and have the best one.
Okay. I got it. Yeah. It makes
you have
sense.
to make a new product.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Hydronaut Pro's green now.
All right.
Because-
Okay.
So if you want some NVIDIA paste, let me know.
All right. I'll let you know. All right. Well, thanks, Joe.
Yeah, no
I'll
worries.
see you around. I'll come
Yeah,
back. Yeah. I'm gonna walk around while I still have a little bit of time.
All right.
All right. Thanks, man. All right, guys. So that's Thermal Grizzly.